Hi viewers, today we are discussing about the engineering chemistry part 4 chemical bonding. What is meant by chemical bonding means attraction force holds between the two atoms is called as chemical bonding. Attraction force holds between the two atoms is called as chemical bonding. Okay, why atoms are to make a bond? Why atoms are formation in a bond? Why means they are unstable. Generally atoms are unstable. For stable purpose their formation in a bond. For stable purpose their formation in a bond. Okay, stable purpose means when you're discussing about chemical bonding, first we have to discussing about octet rule. First we have to discussing about octet rule. Octet means 8 electrons present in valence shell. 8 electrons present in valence shell or outermost shell. 8 electrons are present in valence shell or outermost shell. Outermost shell, valence shell or outermost shell. For example, helium. Helium atomic number is 2. Electronic configuration is 1s2. How many electrons? 2 electrons. 2 electrons is present in one orbit. Neon atomic number is 10. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. In first orbit is the 2 electrons. In second orbit is the 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is called as what is outermost shell or valence shell. These electrons we are called as valence electrons or outermost electrons. In outermost shell having 8 electrons means that is a stable configuration. In outermost shell 8 electrons is present means that is the stable electronic configuration. Here helium having only 2 electrons means that is called as duplet configuration. This is called as duplet configuration. This is called as octet configuration. This is called as octet. Octa means 8. 8 electrons present in valence shell is called as octet configuration. Octet configuration. 8 electrons present in valence shell or outermost shell is nothing but what is octet configuration. Octet rule means what is that the atoms combine with each other only in order to get the stable structure of 8 electrons in their outermost shell. What is meant by octet rule means the atoms combine with each other only in order to get the stable structure for 8 electrons in their outermost shell. For stable purpose, two atoms can combining to become a or to attain a stable purpose, that is called as what octet rule. All noble gases are octet configuration. Why means all noble gases they having 8 electrons in outermost shell except helium atom. Except helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. These all and are having in outermost shell 8 electrons are present. In outermost shell 8 electrons present. They are the stable configuration. Stable configuration. Now we are going to discussing about chemical bonding. Why how to bond is forming means atoms are unstable. Initially atoms are unstable. After formation of a bond to attain the stable purpose, they form a bond. Attain the stable purpose to make a bond. Okay, we have three types of bond. One is ionic bond or electrovalent bond. Ionic bond or electrovalent bond. Second one is covalent bond. Third one is coordinate covalent bond. Coordinate covalent bond. Let's be discussing about first one, ionic bond or electrovalent bond. Ionic bond or electrovalent bond. See, chemical bonding means what is the attraction force between the two atoms is called chemical bond. What is meant by ionic bond means the bond is formed between the two atoms by completely transfer of electrons is called as ionic bond. The chemical bond is formed between the two atoms by completely completely transfer of electrons. By completely transfer of electrons is called as ionic bond. Completely transfer of electrons is called as ionic bond. For example, sodium atom. Sodium atom atomic number is 11. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. In outermost shell, how many valence electrons are present? 1 valence electrons are present. Next here, chlorine. Chlorine is atomic number is 17. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. In outermost shell electrons, how many electrons are present here? 7 electrons. Here how many outermost electrons are present? Only 1 electrons. If here this is a atom also unstable, this is also atom also unstable. For stable purpose, one atom is losing of electron, one atom is gaining of electron. When you losing of this electron, sodium atom is become a Na plus ion. When you gaining of one electron, here chlorine is ion, it become a Cl minus ion. In between the Na plus and Cl, they can make a NaCl bond. In between the NaCl, which type of bond is present? Sodium chloride. Which type of bond is present? Ionic bond is present. That is the sodium. One atom is losing of electron. One atom is gaining of electron. This electron is taking chlorine atom to become a negative. That Na plus and Cl minus, they having attraction force. That force is nothing but a ionic bond. Ionic bond means the bond is formed between by completely transfer of electrons from one atom to another atom is called as ionic bond. One atom to another atom is called as ionic bond. This example, for best example, is the sodium chloride. Sodium atom is the losing of electron and chlorine atom is the gaining of electron. See here, that is diagrammatical representation. Sodium, how many value? What is the electronic configuration? 2, 8, 1. 2, 8, 1. Here 2 electrons, here 8 electrons, here 1 electron. Next, chlorine electronic configuration 2, 8, 7. Here 2 electrons, here 8 electrons, here 7 electrons. Here 2 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here only 1 electron. Here 2 electrons, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here only 7 electrons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Here 1 electron. Here 7 electron. They losing 1 electron. Here by completely transfer of electron here. They losing 1 electron. Here gaining 1 electron to become a stable purpose. They can forming NaCl. NaCl. Next, one more example. Magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride atomic number is 12. Electronic configuration 2, 8, 2. In outermost shell, how many valence electrons are present? 2 electrons. In chlorine, already you know that 17 atomic number. Outermost is a 5 electrons is there. One chlorine atom, 5 electrons is there. Here 2 electrons. Magnesium atom is losing these 2 electrons. Is a gaining chlorine. Each chlorine is a 1 electron is gaining. They can forming MgCl2. MgCl2. This is the ionic bond. Ionic bond means that bond is formed between by completely transfer of electrons from one atom to another is called as ionic bond. Next, second one, covalent bond. Second one, covalent bond. Covalent bond means the bond is formed between the two atoms by mutual sharing of electrons is called as covalent bond. By mutual sharing of electrons. By mutual sharing of electrons is called as covalent bond. By mutual sharing of electrons is called as covalent bond. For example, HCl. In HCl, how many valence electrons is there? 1 valence electron. This is the 1 valence electrons. Chlorine. Chlorine is the how many valence electrons? 7 valency electrons. 7 valency electrons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Like this, valency electrons are represented by dots is called as Lewis dot structure. Valence electrons are represented by dots is called as Lewis dot structure. Here see, here only one electron is there. When you sharing this electron, the hydrogen is becoming stable. Here 7 electrons is there. When you sharing this electron, chlorine is becoming stable. That means here hydrogen sharing this electron, same like this, chlorine also they can sharing of this electron. In between they can make a bond. That bond is nothing but a covalent bond. Here mutual sharing of electrons is called as covalent bond. The bond is formed between the two atoms by mutual sharing of electrons from one atom to another is called as covalent bond. Best example is the HCl. One more example, ammonia also. Ammonia. In nitrogen is having is how many valence electrons? Nitrogen atomic number is 7, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. In how many valence electrons are there? 5 valency electrons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hydrogen is the only one. 3 hydrogens are there. 1. They can sharing of these 3 electrons. Sharing of these 3 electrons. This is hydrogen. Here hydrogen. Here hydrogen. This one is sharing of these 2 all electrons. They can forming ammonia molecule. This 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons is their ammonia molecule. For hydrogen 2 electrons. For hydrogen 2 electrons. For hydrogen 2 electrons is the stable purpose. Next, same like this, one more example. H2, hydrogen. Hydrogen, how many valence electrons? Only 1. One more hydrogen has how many valence electrons? Only 1 valence electrons. They can sharing this one and they can sharing this one. Mutual sharing of electron, they can become a stable. This is sharing like this. This is also sharing like this. In between the bond formation is called as covalent bond. Same like the Cl2 also. Cl2 also. I2 also, Br2 also. These and all they can make a covalent bond. HCl, HF, HBr. These also what covalent bond. Okay, ionic bond means is a mutual share. Ionic bond means transfer of electrons. Covalent bond means mutual sharing of electrons. Now going to discussing about the differences between the covalent bond and ionic bond. Differences between ionic bond and covalent bond. Ionic bond and covalent bond. Ionic bond, covalent bond. In ionic bond, by transfer of electron is here bond is formed between transfer of electron. Here bond is formed between mutual sharing of electron. Mutual sharing of electron. Next, ionic bond. At solid state, the bad conductor of electricity. At solid state, bad conductor of electricity. But in molten state or liquid state, they are good conductor of electricity. Good conductor of electricity. But in covalent compounds are usually bad conductor of electricity. Usually bad conductor of electricity. Usually bad conductor of electricity. This is a strong bond. Ionic bond is a strong bond. Covalent bond is a weak van der Waals force. Ionic bond is a strong bond. Covalent bond is a weak van der Waals force. Ionic bond is a fast reaction. This is a slow reaction. Rate of reaction is slow. Here rate of reaction is fast. Ionic bond having high melting point and boiling point. High melting point and boiling point. Covalent bonds are low melting point and boiling point. Low melting point and boiling point. These are the differences between the ionic bond and covalent bond. I hope you students understand this concept. Thank you.